Good morning. I, Iti, President of Shakti Manch ST Public School, would like to brief about the personal hygiene among females on the occasion of International Women's Day. Learning about menstrual hygiene is a vital aspect of health education. We can bifurcate this into 5 P's: product, palms, pain, paper, period in between your periods. The first P is the product. Remember not to use the cloth. It can lead to various infections. There are various products we can use. These are sanitary napkins, tampons and menstrual cups. The second P is palms. Wash your palm before as well as after using the sanitary napkins. The third P is the pain. In case of great pain, visit gynecologist. Or in mild pain, use hot water bottle. Remember not to use the medicines without prescriptions. The fourth P is paper, in which you dispose of. You can simply wrap it in a newspaper and dispose in a dustbin. The fifth P is period in between your periods. Exercise regularly even during your periods. This will lead to a happy period. So what you all have to do is wear the 5 P's in your locality. You can either gift a sanitary napkin to your maid and click a photograph and upload it to the Google Forms. Link for the same is given in the description. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, I, Palak Harbaj of class 12C, as Secretary of Shakti Manch, would like to create awareness about the ways through which women can get empowered. First of all, Happy International Women's Day. This day holds a great significance as it is the celebration of respect, appreciation, love and care towards the women in our life and society. We all know empowering women is a great responsibility. So for fulfilling these responsibilities, I would like to spread some awareness on the helpline numbers which are launched by the Government of India. Women Power Line 1090, Women Helpline 181, Police Emergency Service 112, CM Helpline 1076, Child Helpline 1098, Health Service 102, Ambulance Service 108. Moreover, UP government has set up Women Help Desk in every police station of state, according to AIR correspondent report. Generally, women hesitate in registering their complaints with male cops in police station. Keeping this in mind, women police personnel will be given the charge of this Women Help Desk so that every woman in state can register the complaint freely and fearlessly. So spreading awareness about the women empowerment is your responsibility too. So there is an activity which is conducted by school in which you all have to click a photograph or make a video about spreading this information which is provided above in your neighborhood, with your housemates or with your relatives. So this information you have to upload on the Google form and link for the same is attached here. So we will be looking forward for your sincere response. Thank you.
अंतर्राष्ट्रीय महिला दिवस के उपलक्ष्य में मैं एक स्वरचित कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। सुकुमारी नहीं मैं नारी हूँ, एक ज्वाला हूँ चिंगारी हूँ। मैं शक्तिपुंज हूँ अबला नहीं, मैं सबला हूँ मैं नारी हूँ। मंजिल मुझको मिल जाएगी, मैं ऐसी राह बना लूँगी, तब तुम कैसे कह पाओगे कि नारी सदा ही हारी है। जलती नहीं दीपक बिन बाती के लौ नहीं आती। जो जलने वाली बाती है वो नारी ही की भांति है। वो स्वयं भस्म हो जाती है और तम को दूर भगाती है। वो दिया खड़ा मुस्काता है और सब श्रेय खुद ले जाता है। ऐसे ही अंबर और माटी, बिन अंबर के पृथ्वी प्यासी। नर के बिन तो नार नहीं है, नर की ही तो नारी है। पर नर की जननी नारी है, सो नर की ये अधिकारी है। यों इसे बांधकर बंधन में तुम कौन हृदय सुख पाते हो। क्यों तजकर के अहंकार अहम तुम इसे सखी न बनाते हो। ये आश्रित नहीं तुम्हारी है, ये नूतन युग की नारी है। रोशन सब जग हो जाएगा, ये ऐसा दिया जला देगी। निविड़ रात्रि मिट जाएगी, ऐसा सूर्य धधका देगी। क्या इस पर है विश्वास नहीं, क्यों देते इसका साथ नहीं। तुम आगे कदम बढ़ाकर देखो, साथ जरा तुम जाकर देखो, विश्व बनेगा बेहद सुंदर, समता को लाकर तो देखो। धन्यवाद।
हेलो ऑल। मेरी कविता उन सभी के लिए जो उठती हैं, बनाती हैं, संवारती हैं, जो जीवटता का प्रमाण हैं, जो अडिग हैं, जो अचल हैं। Those who can move mountains, those who can build empires, those who raise babies, and those who spread love and stand by. Those who are pathfinders, those who pave the way for others, for the next generations, those who follow ideals and become idols. हाँ, नारी तुम जैसी हो वैसी ही खुश हो, अपना सर्वस्व लुटा कर भी. But know your strength. Your worth is not in the work you do. Your worth lies in your love and through. You go beyond your limit in life, be it a daughter, mother, or a wife. Your inner beauty is power that prevails everywhere like fragrance, and your soul hovers. Hats off to all women who are in my life. Love you all. Happy Women's Day. Thank you.